If you are thinking about selling your home and your brain is already in full project mode, new kitchen, new floor, new landscaping, new everything, pause right there. Before you start swiping your card at Home Depot, there are a lot of things you should not fix before selling because you won't get that money back. Hear it again, because you won't get that money back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 10 things you should not spend your money on before you sell, and a bonus section at the end of the video what actually gives you the best return so you can sell for top dollar without burning your cash. Hi everyone, I'm Neelam Singh, your Seattle Bellevue area real estate advisor. I help homeowners and buyers all over the Puget Sound make smart decisions around their largest asset, your home, so you can protect your equity and avoid expensive mistakes. I have seen so many sellers spend tens and thousands of dollars on pre-listing projects that felt productive but did nothing for their sale price. So today we are going to talk about what not to fix before you sell and what to focus on instead. If you are thinking about selling in the next 6 to 12 months, this will save you real money. Let's dive in. Don't do major kitchen or bathroom remodels. You heard that right. If you are staying in the home for years and want to remodel for yourself, amazing, go for it. But if you are getting ready to sell, please don't gut the kitchen, retile the entire shower, or drop 50,000+ on full remodel right before listing. Here's why. Your style isn't the buyer's style. That bold tile or those dark cabinets you love, a buyer might walk in and immediately plan to tear that all out. And major remodels rarely give you a full return. You could spend 60,000+ updating a kitchen and only add 15,000 to 20,000 to your sale price if you are lucky. What to do instead? Update light fixtures, swap cabinet hardware, refresh faucets, shower heads, and vanity pulls. Do a paint refresh on cabinets if they are dated. These smaller tweaks can make a space feel much more modern, move-in ready without blowing the budget. Don't replace all of your hard flooring. I know the temptation. The buyers will love fresh floors. Not always. If you already have solid hardwood, good quality engineered wood, or decent luxury vinyl plank, you usually do not need to tear it all out and start over. The buyer might choose a different color, plank width, or material entirely. So when flooring is worth touching, if your carpet is stained, torn, or smells, yes, replace it with a neutral, mid-grade carpet. It's relatively affordable and can make the home feel fresh and clean. If hardwood is beat up, consider refinishing instead of replacement. But tripping out all your hard floors and installing brand new, that is a very expensive way to guess at a buyer's taste. Don't jackhammer your driveway for hairline cracks. Concrete in the Pacific Northwest cracks. It's almost a personality trait. Normal wear and tear cracks in driveway and walkways are expected in most of the neighborhoods. To fully fix them, you'd be looking at jackhammering sections out, repouring concrete, and spending thousands of dollars for something buyers largely accept as normal. So when you should address it? If you have major trip hazards, big offsets between slab or loose bricks, stepping stones, those are totally worth labeling or resetting so the inspector does not flag them as safety issue. But a few normal cracks, don't tear up your whole driveway over it. Your return just won't be there. Don't replace the roof just for the sale. This one surprises people. If your roof is actively leaking or obviously failing, you should absolutely repair it. But preemptively replacing an entire roof just to sell, that's often $20,000 to $40,000 decision you may not recoup. Two big reasons. The buyer may end up preferring a different roofing material or color. Buyers tend to view new roof as a maintenance item, not a luxury upgrade. Smart moves instead. Fix any active leak or damaged area. Get 2 to 3 roof replacement estimates from reputable local roofers before you list. Provide those to buyers so they understand the future cost and can factor it into their offer. This way, you are transparent and prepared without spending tens of thousands ahead of time. Don't replace your front door, just refresh it. Front doors can be shockingly expensive once you factor in the door itself, hardware, and proper installation. If your front door is structurally sound, you usually do not even need to replace it. Instead, give it a fresh coat of paint in a welcoming modern color or restain good wood doors. Replace dated hardware with a sleek handle lock set. A good pointer, new hardware can give the entry a wow moment for a fraction of the cost. Don't buy all new window coverings. Custom blinds and shades are the silent budget killer. And here's the thing, people are extremely particular about window treatment. So if you spend thousands on brand new blinds, drapes or fancy shades, there's a very good chance the buyer will change them anyway. What to do instead? Remove dated curtains, heavy drapes and broken blinds. Patch and paint any holes from the hardware. Let in as much natural light as possible. Light sells homes. Outdated coverings do not. You don't have to replace them. You just have to remove what's distracting and let the house breathe. Don't take on huge landscaping or hardscaping projects. Outdoor kitchens, new patios, extensive stonework, long meandering concrete paths, all beautiful, all expensive, all unlikely to get you a dollar for dollar return right before a sale. Buyers in our area care for more about a clean, maintained yard, good curb appeal, and a space that feels manageable than a 5-figure outdoor project they did not ask for. What is worth doing instead? Mow the lawn and edge it cleanly. Trim back overgrown shrubs and trees. Add fresh mulch in beds. Plant a few affordable seasonal flowers for color. Pressure wash the driveway, front walk, and patio. Think polished and cared for, not HGTV backyard makeover. Don't replace the fireplace just because it's dated. In the Pacific Northwest, fireplaces are a big cozy selling point. But that does not mean you have to rebuild the surround, reface in stone, or completely convert fuel types solely for the sale. Wood burning versus gas versus electric is often a personal preference. The buyer may want to handle that conversion themselves. What you should do? Have the chimney cleaned and inspected. Make sure the fireplace is safe and functional. Clean up the hearth and surrounding area so it looks inviting. Functional and cleanliness matter way more than a brand new insert you may never recoup on price. Don't do halfway repairs. This is big one. For example, one handle on your 20-year-old bathroom faucet breaks. You cannot find an exact match, so you replace just that one handle with something different. Now the whole faucet looks mismatched and honestly a little DIY chaotic. The same goes for one odd cabinet pull, one new light fixture in a room full of old ones, or one random patch of fresh paint in a room that clearly needs the whole wall done. Partial fixes make buyers think, what else was done halfway in this house? Rule of thumb, if you are going to touch it, finish it completely. Replace the full faucet set, paint the full wall or room, swap all the matching handles or lights in a space. Otherwise, sometimes it's better to leave it alone and price accordingly than to do a visible patch job. Don't overbuild for the neighborhood. This one is huge for resale. If you live in a street of a modest ramblers or older split levels, and you turn your home into a 4,000 square foot ultra modern showpiece with every luxury finish, you have just become the most expensive house on the block, and the surrounding homes will drag your resale value down, no matter how gorgeous your place is. Improvements should align with the neighborhood, the price point, and buyer expectations for that area. Fine if you are staying long term and doing it for yourself. But if you are planning to sell, you don't want to spend money you will never ever see again. If you are getting value out of this and you are starting to mentally cross projects off your to-do list, go ahead and tap that like button and subscribe. It really helps this kind of content get in front of other homeowners who might be about to waste a lot of money before they sell. Alright, now let's talk about what you should actually be doing instead. What you should spend time and money on before selling. We have talked about what not to fix. Now here's where you will get your best return. Declutter and depersonalize. This is huge. Clear counters, thin out furniture, remove excess decor, pack up collections and personal photos. You want buyers thinking about their life in the house, not staring at our stuff and trying to see past it. Less stuff, bigger, bright feeling spaces. Deep clean, like really deep clean. I'm talking window and tracks, baseboards, light switches and outlets. Inside kitchen appliances, bathroom grout and caulking, dust, grease and grime signals work to buyers. A spotless home signals well maintained. If budget allows, a professional deep cleaning right before the photo and showing is worth every single penny. Deodorize, especially carpets and soft surfaces. We all go nose blind to our own homes, but buyers notice everything. Pet smells, cooking odor, smoke, mushy basement scents. If your carpet is old, stained or smelly, replacing the carpet only can do wonders for both appearances and odor. Pair that with airing out the home, light neutral scents, fresh paint, and the home will feel fresh instead of lived in, tired. Neutral, fresh paint. Paint is one of the highest ROI updates you can do. Cover scuffs, patches, and old, bold colors. Choose light, neutral, modern tones. This makes small rooms feel larger and brighter. This alone can transform how move-in ready a home feels. Thoughtful staging, even if you are still living there. You do not necessarily need to empty your home and fully stage it, but have a stager or your agent help you rearrange furniture, remove extra pieces, add simple accessories, pillows, throws, and art. It can completely change the emotional response buyers have when they walk in. We want clear walkways, defined spaces, and a cozy but clean feeling. Think magazine version of your house, not everyday life chaos. So to recap, before you put your home on the market, you do not need to do a full kitchen or bathroom remodel. Replace all hard flooring, rip out and re-pour your driveway, buy a brand new front door, splurge on custom blinds, build on outdoor kitchen, install a brand new fireplace, do patchy halfway repairs, or overbuild beyond your neighborhood. Instead, focus on decluttering, deep cleaning, deodorizing, neutral paint, and smart, simple staging. These are the things that actually help you sell faster and for more without overspending. If you are in the Seattle or Eastside area and you are thinking about selling, I'm happy to walk through your home and advise you exactly what to do, what not to touch, and where your money will actually make a difference. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your biggest "should I fix this" dilemma. It could turn into our next learning video. I'm Neelam Singh, your Seattle Bellevue area real estate advisor. Take care of yourself, take care of your homes, and remember, smart choices today protect your equity tomorrow. I'll see you in the next one.